Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments.
Hey guys, so we're at Macondo by the Sea again, but now it's morning time, so we're about to get breakfast. And again, we're in the area of Manuel, Antonio, and today is going to be a pretty chill day. It's a pretty nice resort area, so we're looking forward to just relaxing, especially after some of the excursions we've done with all the hiking and doing the waterfalls and all of that good stuff. Check out this pool area and breakfast area.
You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my.
Alright guys, come on in. Okay, so this is our room. We are in the honeymoon jacuzzi villa here at Macondo by the Sea. When you first enter, you have a kitchen here, and one of the really cool things about this villa is all of the woodworking. So this is a wooden table top slash countertop slab. Really nicely. Have a full length mirror here on the right hand side, left hand side when you're entering. Then if you come on in, there is a closet that's currently filled with all of our junk, but luckily they have lights so we can cut that off and close the door. And then as you come this way, it's the living room area, and you guys, look at the view. It is insane. So we'll come back in here, but let's check out the view. Both doors slide open, and look, the sea is right there. To our right, we have the jacuzzi, which makes this the jacuzzi villa. Jacuzzi honeymoon villa, that is. There's some lounge chairs that we have some of our clothing rested on since we did our wild adventure tour yesterday. So then we come back in, and as you can see, again in the living room area, there's a huge sofa. There's also a television that spins, so you can angle it whichever direction you'd like. And then over here is the bed. Nice king size bed. Check out the headboard. We said it's more like a wall board than a headboard because it stretches all the way up to the wall. Desk area there, and then if you give the curtains a little yank, they slide back. So if you want a little bit of privacy while you're in the bed, or if you don't want to see the bed while you're in the living room, voila, pull the curtains back. We talked a little bit about the kitchen area, but there is a nice, I don't know how to open this because I didn't open it yet. Oh, here we go. Refrigerator here, freezer down below, drawers with all of the utensils and cutlery that you'll need. Check out these nice little cut-ins here. Nice little touch. And then as you approach this way, you have the bathroom area. So put some lights on in here. Oh, that was already on. Okay. Here you have the shower. And you can see through to the ocean actually. Then this way, you have the sink. Check out this nice round mirror. Mini light there. We have some of our junk in here, but dual vanities, nice art fixture, and the commode. So that's pretty much sums it up. But we're enjoying our stay here, and we would highly recommend it if you're looking for somewhere to stay when visiting Costa Rica.
There's no games with the bug spray.
Guys, but I've gotten bitten like 1,200 times.
0 games.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm getting bitten.
But we got recommended this spot. One of the guys at our hotel, he recommended it. So we're gonna swing by and check it out. Supposedly has some really good pizza, so we'll see. It's gonna be lunch today.
Are you going today? Great. What have you done? For lunch? Yes.
At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop.
Jax, like Jackson, Jacks, making it home.
Making it home. And it's about traveling or
Traveling, yeah, a little bit of everything. Traveling, cooking, and like a home improvement project.
Oh, that's nice.
It's fun though.
Yeah, definitely.
Fun, yeah, and we learn a lot because we share things, and then people tell us, "Oh, when I went there, you could do this," or if you're.
I think that's great.
Yeah,
That's right.
it's
Hey,
true.
if I find you, I'm gonna be your sister.
Okay.
We appreciate that.
Well,
Tell
we-
everybody.
When we finish eating, if you want to say something, you can.
Oh no, I don't want to be a movie star. Not yet.
Not yet.
I'll be okay. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my.
Hey, you have to trust me, okay? I trust you. You don't have no choice. How do we get back? So you have to give me a time to pick you up.
Okay.
Shawty, I know my place. Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that.
Yes. Thank you. See you, guys. So we're heading over to the private beach from here. Shannon says she knows where she's going. So we're gonna let her lead the way.
My shoes aren't on all the way.
¿Hablan español o inglés?
I see English.
Okay.
How are
You
you?
got ones?
Are they the same as these? Thank you.
Y yo
Perfect.
llevo los baños,
Okay.
las sillas.
Thank you.
Something to buy the button, yeah. The button, set the potato, time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyrics. I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart inside.
I wasn't ready for that one.
You guys, these waves are strong and big.
They're very aggressive.
And they just got even bigger in the last 5 minutes. For real.
They're very aggressive.
They sound like earrings.
Just left the beach. Getting back to our buggy / golf cart. Hopefully Shannon doesn't fall. But it's up there waiting for us. Take us back to our room. Yeah. We know. Right up there waiting for us.
Huge bamboos. Yeah, massive. You see, it is aggressive. They kill everything around. That's the big problem with the bamboo. Bamboo is now original from Central America. So some crazy guy, they brought it in Costa Rica years ago. So this kind of weather is a tropical and a good fertilizer. They let it grow up and longer, bigger. So they kill everything around. But you know, it looks great. Right. That's the happen when you bring some stuff to your country to another country, you know?
That's all right. Dinner tonight is going to be this cargo plane, which is right literally next door to the pizza spot. So we're gonna be in here. Never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. So we got a strawberry banana one there, and we got a straight pineapple one there.
Looks delicious.
Got Shannon over there.
Let me try it. He's gonna wish he had this one.
So I got a bacon cheeseburger, and Shannon got some type of nachos.
Chicken nachos.
Chicken nachos.
They look delicious. Sorry guys, I just wanted to say you see how my smoothie turned out. I'm trying to savor just a wee bit and it was so good.
Alright guys, so we had a really successful day, but it was actually kind of long, but really relaxed too.
Yes.
It's kind of weird. But anyway, we woke up, we had breakfast, so that was really good. That was our first breakfast that we had at this hotel. And then we came back, we chilled for a little bit, and then we went down to the private beach that's for this hotel. So that ride there was kind of interesting because it's like kind of like straight downhill in this golf cart. So we did that, we chilled at the beach for a while, we came back again. Oh, we forgot, we had lunch. We went to the pizza spot.
Oh yes.
That was actually really good. We had a Hawaiian bacon pizza, and it's like actually instead of tomato sauce, it's barbecue sauce. So that was really, really good.
Delicious.
And then we went to the beach, and then we just left from El Avion.
Yeah.
So that was also good. I had a burger. She had some chicken nachos
Yep.
that she said she liked. My burger was really good.
I like them.
But yeah, so we're about to take a shower.
We also had smoothies at El Avion.
Oh yeah, so if you're in the area, get some smoothies because like
And
the
they're-
fruit is really fresh.
Yeah, real fruit smoothies. Very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, but this camera's getting heavy. Hence the shake that's just happened. But we're about to go to sleep.
Just standing on my toes.
We're about to go to sleep, and then we'll wake up tomorrow. I think in a new place. So we go.
Good. Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry guys. Good.
And whenever he gives you crap, remember to tell him, hey, remember that time I saved your life?